Okay, getting set for the market open this last time for 2025. And it seems like once again it's going to be a very quiet start for us, just circling around the 26,000 mark. That's where we're currently at. So giving it that one final push, perhaps 0.3% higher. And it's a good start actually for the broader markets as well, at least early days, but you've got a positive market breadth at your hand for sure. Want to see whether the steel stocks are continuing their uptick from yesterday. Tata Steel, JSW, JSPL, given that the government has now imposed safeguard duty on imports of certain steel products, look out for what these stocks do, and that's a solid move coming in on most of these steel counters. Rights, they've received orders worth about $3.6 million from Zimbabwe's one of the Zimbabwe companies. There's Bharat Forge. They've signed its largest small arms contract with the Ministry of Defense worth about 1,662 crore rupees. Orientech, it jumped 20% upper circuit in trade yesterday on that 1:10 bonus announcement. So let's see whether there is any follow-through coming in on that stock or not, and still gapping up about 4.6% higher. Eternal, Swiggy, delivery workers call for an all-India strike today. Given that today one would anticipate would be a very high volume trade, most people would want to order in or have those last-minute purchases. These stocks start off a little bit lukewarm in trade. Also, TRAI has made suggestions to regulate the sale of foreign SIM and eSIM cards. Airtel, Vodafone, look out for what these stocks do in trade. There's, of course, Kalpatru as well as Acme Fintrade as well, wherein the lock-in period is ending. So look out for what these stocks as well are going to do. And Privi Specialty Chemicals, wherein the promoter arm Vivera Investment is looking to sell that 6.3% stake at an 11% discount from NSE close. The deal size is a sizable 700 crore rupees. So look out for what that stock as well is going to be up to in trade. Other than that, Hindustan Zinc, Hindustan Copper, silver surge has resumed. It was up 6% overnight. Copper is now hovering around the record highs. But most of these stocks are taking a little bit of a breather. And then, of course, there is Taj GVK as well. The promoter has acquired that 25.5% share in the company at 370 rupees per share from Indian Hotels. So that's the other stock which is also going to be in focus. And Premier Engines, they've bagged orders worth about 2,300 odd crore rupees in Q3 of this fiscal. So that's the other stock which we're keeping on our radar this morning.
Well, yes, but it's a morning of metals. You know, JSW Steel, Tata Steel, both doing very well for themselves. And within the Nifty basket as well, those are the two top gainers for you. Outside of that, the Nifty breadth is looking surprisingly positive. You know, early indications today did not seem to suggest so, but we've started on the front foot, it seems, on the last day of the year. So that's a positive. In terms of sectors, all sectoral indices trading in the green. Trading up is the Nifty India Defence Index, 1.25% higher. Couple of days of real pressure on that index, reversing today. The Nifty Metal is the other one, 1.2% higher on the Nifty Metal as well. Outside of that, Realty is up 0.5%, IT is up 0.25%, Bank is also up 0.25%. So you're seeing a good texture when it comes to the markets. Of course, some of the outperformers being metals and defense, but outside of that as well, you're seeing good traction. In terms of the mid-cap index itself and within the mid-cap basket, you're seeing a few gainers. Coromandel, Supreme Industries, SAIL are just some of them, all of them trading up 2% plus in early trade today. Even within the Nifty 500 basket, the breadth is positive and surprisingly strongly positive. Polymedi is the one big culprit there, 5% lower. SKF, Hindustan Copper, seeing some profit booking there. Motherson Wiring also down around 2%. But outside of that, there are plenty of gainers within that basket. HFCL up 4%, Deepak Fert up 4%, JSPL, JSW Steel, Wrights, Jindal Stainless are just some of the others. And NMDC Steel are just some of the others which are doing very, very well to start the day off. Kunal, what are you spotting on charts?
Yeah, it's a very good start for the indices because, as you rightly pointed out, it's not just the Nifty coming back above the 26,000 mark. It's the market breadth